Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram message problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. So the first step is you need to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update Instagram application. So now you can see that Instagram is updating, and then you need to go into your settings of your mobile and click on apps management and search here in app list Instagram. Okay, once you search Instagram, you simply need to clear the cache and storage. And once you done that, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application. And once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the messenger icon in the top right and select any conversation. So let me select a conversation to show you an example. And here you can see that when I click on that, you can see that I get all the emojis, and if I want I can reply that conversation also. So this is the way you can fix Instagram message problem on Android as well as on iOS. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.